So, I'm excited that I am going with a friend with lots of my produce from the farm to a market, and we're going to sell random stuff. Kiwis, lemons, tangerines, who knows what. And speaking of who knows what, we're going to take some of the branches from this tree. I don't know if you can see it. I don't even know what the tree is called, but a friend told me it's good for tea. I will hopefully figure out what it's called before I post this video. And also hopefully confirm, well, I will confirm that it actually is edible. Because, oh my goodness, I would never want to mislead someone or give them something that actually has no use in tea. And actually I find that is something that I'm always watching out for in my life. I never want to mislead someone on anything. But one thing I know for sure, and look at me being sneaky to sneak this in, is that Jesus loves me and Jesus loves you, and he is a sure thing. And no one needs to confirm that to me. I've experienced it my entire life. And I hope that you are experiencing his love. And if you're not, ask him to show you. Have a good day.